Hello, Earhart Eagles. This is Mr. Newcomb, and I've got a great lesson for you. And you're going to go, wait, what? What did Mr. Newcomb say? So here it is. We are in a program called Google Sheets, and this document will be in the lesson for you to open up. Right below this video, there will be this document to open up. And I'm going to do the first row of math problems. Did Mr. Newcomb say math problems? You're going to add these two-digit numbers to the other two-digit numbers, and the answer is going to go right here. And guess what? Don't tell anybody, but the computer is going to do it for you. The computer is going to do it for you. So get ready to watch this life hack, I guess you call it, to get some math done easier. So I typed in these numbers all over here, and we're going to add those two numbers up and put the answer right below the two numbers. And I've already got it done for you, and I will do the first row and I'll leave it done. And you need to try to copy what I did and get the answers for these problems. It's super easy, super secret. And I bet your parents don't know how to do this. Maybe some of your parents do, but you might know something after this lesson that your parents don't know how to do. So I'm going to click right here, and we're going to add these up. And an answer for an addition problem is also called a sum, S-U-M. So we're going to click right there, and we're going to come over here, way up above my picture that I'm looking at, and we're going to click on this thing that looks like an E. It says functions, and we're going to click on sum right there. Okay, and I'm going to move out of the way. Next, you just take your mouse and highlight and drag. Hold down your finger on the thing on a trackpad. You might need your finger and thumb. You might need some practice. You might need your parents' help. You might accidentally delete everything, but just watch the video because the numbers are in the video. And I'm going to let go, and I'm going to press enter on my keyboard, and bam, there's the answer, 68. If you took pencil and paper out, maybe second graders, you could check and make sure this worked. So once again, I'm going to click here where I want the answer to be. I'm going to press that weird looking E, functions, come down and press sum. And I'm going to click on the top button with my mouse. I have a mouse, not a trackpad. Drag down. So you might take two fingers, hold with one finger and drag down with the other finger, and then let go and press enter. And that answer is 97. Let's try 54 plus 32. So I'm going to click right here. Press the function key, press sum. We're going to add it up and get the sum, which is the answer in an addition problem, 54 plus 32, and then press enter on your keyboard. I think you can also click away. If I click away, nope, don't click away. So make sure you press enter. So I'm going to delete that, highlight and press delete. So I just made a mistake. I like making mistakes. Shows you how not to do something. I'm going to press the sum again, and then click here and here, and then drag down. There we go. And press enter. 86. So I think this one I can add in my head. It's going to be 48. Let's see if I'm correct. So I'm going to click here, press the function, press sum, and click first on the top button, top number, drag down to the second. You might need to use two fingers. And then press enter. 48. Now your job is to do what I did up here, and right below each of these sets of numbers in this bottom cell, this rectangle is called a cell. These are called cells, like plant cells. And then you put the answer here. And now you might do it on paper. Some of you might be super bright and do it in your head. But guess what? When I come and look at your assignment and I click here, it shows me if you used the sum function or not. So when I click here, it shows me. And what that says in there, when I click right here, it says add together or sum up B2 and B3. So here's column B, number 2, that's this square, and column B, row 3, is 43. And then the answer goes there. Pretty nifty. So I just showed you a life hack on how to add two-digit numbers to another two-digit number using Google Sheets, which is like Microsoft Excel. All right, have a good week, and I'll be re-explaining it to you and showing you how to do it live. And you can always back this video up and watch it again, and I'll be checking your work when you turn it in. Don't forget to turn it in.